That's a lot of snow. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? Can you tell now? Yeah, it's coming down. There's a snow truck. And this, folks, is what we call the Midwest. You can see that I'm almost at empty. Now, a little fun fact is that you never want to catch yourself with that much gas in your tank, because basically if that happens, you are pretty much just screwed. So I'm gonna go get gas, and now it's rush hour, so on top of the fact that traffic's already moving slow, plus the fact that it's snowing and I'm low on gas, we shall see what the hell happens. Small update, I got the gas and pretty much it was hell. Traffic was so insanely backed up. I was deciding whether or not to go closer gas station or not, but I had to go to a farther one. So I pull up to the gas station. I mean, you're just expecting, and sure enough, every single pump is taken up. I get behind this one pickup truck, and this guy's filling up. I'm sitting pretty far from his car, you know, I'm being patient, but he's taking his sweet ass time. He got his gas, he put the handle back, and then he's just messing around. He's just like wiping off his car, trying to get all the snow off. I'm like, dude, you can do that in a parking spot by the little store mart where you can go in and grab snacks. He decides to go and just like la-di-da-di-da. I'm like, you're just being a piece of paper. You're literally just being a POS. I got real pissed. I turned my car back on. You know, I wasn't gonna make any like confrontation or whatever, but I turned my car back on to be like, hey, other people are waiting to get gas. It's really bad outside. Other people need gas. Get places. I'm not gonna get into like this huge like dispute with people, you know, online about people that drive certain vehicles, act certain ways. You know, I think that they have a tendency, I think people with big trucks, big vehicles, think they own the road. Like, it just doesn't make sense that people, they get this like attitude. They get this like total, I'm better than you, move away. This is my road. This is my pump or whatever. It's an ego thing. And okay, so I drive a Mustang, convertible, red. Yeah, it's fun to drive, but I'm at a point right now where I'm just like, a car's a car. I don't really care, you know, what I drive. I guess to some people, they get this attitude and they think that they're so better than others. This guy was definitely pulling a number on me like that, just to be like, well, I know it's snowing out, I know it is, but I own a truck. Look at me taking my time. He started looking at me all like,
turn left onto Lincoln Avenue.
He's like, what are you waiting for? I'm like, to get freaking gas, so my car doesn't die right behind yours. So hurry up. And he wouldn't. He just took his sweet time. People like that, kind of get on my nerves a lot, because I mean, you're just being an asshole. Like, what if I was like that to you? What if I was like that to you? What if I just took my sweet ass time, hogged the road, and did all these crazy things and stunts for what? To look like a freaking idiot? I mean, go ahead. You're the one that looks like the dumbass. I'm sorry, but you're the one that looks like the total and complete dumbass. You're not fooling anyone. You're just another random piece of paper. End of rant. Mic drop. I gotta make this turn, and traffic is amazingly horrible. Cars just back up all over this damn road. So I just pulled my car in. It just took like half an hour to get up the driveway. I tried shoveling. There was a plow that actually came through and plowed half the street. So that was kind of good, because I needed some traction to rev up. If I didn't have that, I would have been still on the street. Then I shoveled again, tried it one more time, and I revved up. I was stuck on like an incline for a good 2 minutes. I just had my foot on the pedal down all the way. Got that son of a bitch up on the driveway. I can't believe it took half an hour to get up the driveway. So that's gonna be it for this vlog. Tweet me at DigiSortFilms, tweet me at JimRLC, find me on Instagram at JAY_IM, follow me on Snapchat at J1M_MAC. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I make videos pretty often. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon. You'll get notified when I post my next vlog on this channel. I will also be posting a link down below. The other channel that I work is called Digital Shorts. Check it out. It's with my buddy Rich and Mike, and we do a lot of really stupid, dumb stuff on that channel. So if you're interested in that, please click the link down below. And for now, I'm gonna peace out, and I will see you in the next vlog. Peace. Play the fastest fill that you can ever possibly play right now.
No.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit.